everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another spring cleaning video for you. It is spring, we all know that, and this time of year I like to get into the nitty-gritty of my home and spring clean it for the whole season. This spring cleaning takes me all the way till when I do another deep clean, which is right around the fall and winter, and then throughout the year I do some cleaning and things like that that are deeper throughout the months. But this spring cleaning is areas that I only get into seasonally, and spring is no different. So we are in the kitchen today, and I wrote out a list like I always do of everything I need to clean, and I literally have maybe a little over an hour to get all these things done. And I like to time myself because A, I like the challenge, and B, I know I can dedicate that solid hour or a little over an hour to getting these things done. So I'm setting the timer for about an hour to see how much I can get done, and if it goes a little over, I'm okay because I still have a margin of about 30 minutes. So on this list, I have cleaned the walls and ceilings. I like to do that every spring, and I like to do that right before the holidays as well. Clean the ceiling fans and light fixtures. I clean the light fixtures and the switches pretty much once a month, but those need a cleaning for the spring. And then the ceiling fans and the light fixtures, I do that pretty much about twice a year as well, right before the holidays and in the spring. Clean the windows. I only clean the windows in the spring, and then I spot clean throughout the year. And clean under the fridge and under the stove. I usually do this pretty much every season as well too, because I do have animals. Fur gets underneath there and debris and things like that, and to have those appliances running efficiently, you really should be cleaning over those, under those, at least every season. I'm going to deep clean the microwave. I usually do this as needed, and today it does need to be done. So this is not really a part of my spring cleaning schedule, but it does need to be done. And that goes to say about the toaster oven. I need to give that a good deep clean. And then I'm going to deep clean the sink and the drain, which includes the garbage disposal. And those three last things I do frequently, but they need to be done, so that's why they're on my spring cleaning list. So I'm going to get out my phone, put some music on, set the timer, and knock this out, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. enjoyed my spring cleaning video of my kitchen, and I hope it gives you a lot of inspiration to get into your kitchen and spring clean it and prepare it for the rest of the spring and summer seasons. If you enjoy spring cleaning videos, give me a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of my cleaning videos and you want all that inspiration to get started in your home, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me. And until we see each other next time, I hope you're having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you real soon. So long.